Hey fam, I'm back. It's SIPHO VALI. Welcome to my channel. So today I'll be doing a card crease tutorial, highly requested, and I'm finally delivering. I think this phase, because I think it's all about phases, like dinner season, disappearance and ever. So this season, this phase of my channel, it's all about delivering. Hope you guys are going to enjoy it, okay? Because doesn't give I don't want to do any blabbering, so with no further ado, let's get right straight to the video. Also, please do watch up until the end of the video. Like the video if you loved it. Also, subscribe, please. It's free. And comment down below. Say anything nice. Say hi. Say welcome back. You know, the vibes. I really want to get to 1K by the end of this month. So yeah, do the right thing. A giveaway is coming. I've never done a giveaway. I said I'm not gonna blab, but yeah, a giveaway is coming soon, so do look out for that. For now, just enjoy this video. Hello you guys. Hey guys, lately I've been very shy to be on camera. Even now that I was gonna do this video, I high-key wanted to do a voiceover, and I was like, no man. And this kind of awkward lately. I don't know. I did my eyebrows off camera, but I did a tutorial. It's gonna come out soon. It's so funny. I do a lot of people's makeup, and they always want me to teach them how to do my brows, their brows, eyebrows. But I never do a tutorial on eyebrows. And another thing is that when I started off makeup, my brows were horrible. So I guess I have never been confident with my brows. And this other thing of like brows not always being perfect, you know, so yeah, so now I'm just prepping my eyelids and we're gonna get started. I am doing a card crease tutorial. Yeah, beginners friendly. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so crazy. I'm using this palette for a mirror, because it gives me focus. It's like this, so I only see my eyes, so I'm more focused and I know what I'm doing and I can see what I'm doing properly. However, I'm not gonna be using this palette. Okay, the palette that I'm gonna be using is this oh gosh, this is the Colors Limited eye quad. It got into an accident a few days ago, yeah, a few days ago, and it lost its eye. This is actually my favorite shimmer. This is my favorite palette, and I think it is very beginners friendly, so it makes sense for me to use it on this channel. It makes sense for me to use it on this video, and I've been using this palette all winter long, since autumn. Guys, it's been a long time since I've done this, so I am going to ramble with my tongue. I don't even know what to say anymore. Like, I don't even know how to do this. Let me set my eyes with this whitish color over here. This is the Essence Today Sydney palette. I'm going to use the white just to set, just to avoid creasing. This this concealer is not as white as it looks like on camera. I actually used it to clean up my brows, or rather to, oh, look at the creasing already, rather to shape my brows. Oh gosh, the creasing is bad. You always need to set to avoid creasing. However, setting can it can reduce the amount of pigmentation, so yeah, that too. The concealer I'm talking about is this one. I always leave my stuff unclosed. The Wet n Wild. It's in the shade medium. I'm gonna take you guys through the brushes while I'm doing the tutorial, and yeah, I'm super excited to be back. I don't know if I should be doing a live update or whatever. The reason why I was away, I don't know if you guys like those videos, because I for one do not like those videos. I skip them all the time. I don't know. I used to like them. Oh my god, I want to hear the juice, but then I'm like, oh, but nah, I'm not interested. So I don't know if you guys would like me to do a live update, because I've been meaning to do a live update, but I'm like, awkward. First and foremost, I'm gonna go in with this color. Yes, I'm gonna go in with this color over here. This is more of maroonish. I'm gonna sweep it off a little. I'm using this brush as my favorite brush for a transition color, and this is the Victoria Jackson brush, and I'm just gonna go in. So I'm gonna open my eyes. And then I'm gonna sweep it off like that. I'm holding my brush towards the end. I don't want it to be more pigmented. It gives me control to easily blend it out. So as I'm blending, I am gonna be blending it out like that. The color looks very pigmented on the mirror. The lighting makes it look a bit light. And then I'm gonna go in with this fluffy tapered brush, and I'm gonna tap into this color over here. And then I'm gonna dust off, and then I'm gonna blend. Always holding the brush towards the end. I like using the corner of this brush. It gives me more control. I love control. So I'm gonna be blending in circular motions. I'm gonna use this Early Girl Pro Concealer for cutting my crease. I'm gonna be using this brush. No way. I'm gonna be using the smaller one. I'm gonna be using the small brush. This is a Morphe brush, and gonna start with this side. If you know the measurement of your crease, you don't have to be like, if you know your way, you don't have to be blinking your eyes. However, if you have hooded eyes, you find that every time you close your eyes, your thingy is gonna touch the end of your crease. So you might as well just start with it, and then you're gonna have to reduce the amount of your concealer, just like this. And then you're gonna do the dabbing motion, the tapping motion, till you get to the end. I'm not gonna be talking much, I'm just gonna be showing you guys. Okay, I lied when I said tapping. I lied. I lied. I'm actually going to be doing both tapping and you're gonna see what I'm talking about. I made a line. That's how I want my crease to go. I like it because it makes it more neat when you make that line, you know, that freehand just one time, you know. Yeah, so that's how I'm gonna be doing it. Then in front, that's where I do now the tapping. You're gonna see how I do it. Also, talking and keep on blinking when your concealer is not yet dry makes it greasy. Boom! Okay, I'm gonna leave that to dry. I'm gonna leave that to dry and I'm gonna go into the other eye.